many different types of information need to be maintained and tracked in detail when helping clients with mortgage loans. In addition to storing contact information, updating mortgage details, and logging communication with your borrowers, BNTouch also enables you to store documents related to your clients. In each mortgage record, you will have the ability to upload files, transmit them to clients, and request that they send you any files you may need. You can also share these files with participating partners, update document statuses, and handle e-signatures for each borrower in your CRM. The first step in handling client documents is to open their record in the Mortgages tab. You can do this by clicking their blue Name link. In the Documents sub-tab of their record, files can be managed for your own use or transmitted to clients and partners. The first area that will appear here is the Document Storage and Sharing list. This list will show files that you and other users have uploaded, as well as those submitted via borrower portals. New files can be uploaded using the Add Document button. Here, you can drag and drop a file into the topmost area, or use the Choose File button to select one from your computer. You can also enter a brief description in the text field. This description is for your own benefit, and clients will not see it with the file. Please note that the maximum file size for each individual document you upload is 20 megabytes. Next, sharing and notification settings can be set to allow access to applicable clients and partners. For both the borrower and any participating partners, you can choose whether to alert them in their borrower or partner portal, via email, or via a push notification through the Mortgage Circle's mobile app. The file will be added to the record list once you click the Upload Files button. You will be returned to the document list and a new file will appear here. Files can be downloaded by clicking the File Name link, and details about each file will display below, including who uploaded it and when, its size and description, and whether it has been shared with the client and participants. Actions can be taken for each file using the ellipsis icon to the right, including options to download, share, edit, and delete the document. In addition, you can also set a document's status here. This allows you to track files and search through documents more easily. You can choose from a list of statuses or enter a custom one in the text field. The Status Management link will let you add new statuses for your business, delete old ones you no longer use, and choose one to set as a default status for newly uploaded documents. Multiple files can be downloaded, deleted, shared, or given a status using the checkboxes to the left of the list and the drop-down menu above the list. You can also view any recently deleted files by clicking Deleted Documents above. From this list, you can restore documents to the previous storage or permanently delete them from your CRM. Documents can also be requested by clicking the Request Documents button below the storage list. Here, you can enter a description of the document you are requesting and, optionally, a date by which you would like the borrower to upload it. Checking the boxes below will send an email notification to the borrower and co-borrower once you click the Request Documents button, and they will be able to upload and send these documents to you by logging into their borrower portal. Any documents you have requested and that have been uploaded this way will be accessible in the Requested Documents list. If you routinely request similar sets of documents from your borrowers, you can save them as a preset by clicking the Save Existing List as Preset link. You can then enter a name for the preset and click Save Preset. Later, you can click Document Requests Presets below the list and choose a preset and instantly request all documents therein. Documents can also be requested of clients as a campaign step in the Marketing tab. This can be selected when creating a new campaign step or when choosing a step method from the drop-down menu while editing an existing step. Here, you can select from a Document Requests preset you made before, or click the Add New Documents link to request a new file. You will also have the option to send notifications to the borrower and co-borrower, just like within the mortgage record. Any documents that need to be securely signed by borrowers and made available to you and other users in your account will appear at the bottom of this page in the e-signed documents list. This feature is only available for accounts that have the e-signing module enabled by their administrator. If you are interested in securely acquiring signatures from your clients, please contact your administrator. Here, you can see the document name and when the signature request was made, the date it was signed, the signer and their IP address, and a link to download the file. For files that have not been signed yet, a pending message will appear in the signed date field. You can send a new request message to the client by clicking the Request Again button, which will renew the requested signature date for that document. Pending documents will show the requested signer's name, but the IP address and download link will not be available until they have completed the signature. You can also request the client's complete e-signature documents and send them to you. When you click the Request e-signature button, you can select documents from your e-sign library, opt to send notifications to the borrower and co-borrower, and send the request. If you want to send reminder emails to clients you are still waiting to hear back from, click the Change link here and choose how often you wish these to be sent. Like with document requests, you can create request presets for e-signed documents using the links below the list. Once you have used Save Existing List as preset, you can view your saved presets by clicking E-Signed Documents Requests Presets. Afterwards, you can request all of these e-signatures by clicking Load Preset. You can also send e-signature requests as part of your marketing campaigns by selecting the Request e-sign step method when creating a new campaign step. You can select this from the Method drop-down menu as well when editing a step. When selected, you will be able to choose from your e-sign presets or choose a document from your e-sign library. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.